Top of the morning, you good people. Boy, out here in it, man. Crazy old blizzard come through here last night. I let this thing idle all night. Just tripping off all this little ice and stuff around your airlines. I let them stay released last night and just had chalked my wheels. Figure that's the best thing to do, let the air continuously move through the lines. It's cold as heck too, man. 25 degrees, talking about real feel 9, feels it. Made it all the way up into Kansas and got about 30 more miles to go. About to drop this load at the Walmart distribution center and then get ready for my back haul leaving out of Edgerton, going back to get some more Twinkies and take them down to Oklahoma City, man. I thought this stuff was through, man. That blizzard came through. I never experienced anything like that. I've dealt with snow, plenty of snow, but them high winds mixed with it. I hurried up and came up off this highway. Got lucky, got parked up. Right after I got in here, this sucker started filling up like crazy, man. Cold as hell, man, but let's get on up the highway.
Uncle Cummins on the wire, y'all. Now, Provider was being a bit modest in terms of conveying to you good people about last night. That wind and snow was cutting up on I-35. And I don't know why he has not bought a cold front for this big, massive grill sitting in front of me. I like to be ran while staying cool, but them temps even had the oil cooler confused. And the term "can't stop, won't stop" is an understatement regarding his truck life. Real stomp down trucking. Drop a load, head straight to another one. I just hope we heading back south like the birds.
All right, boys. Stop right here real quick. The Look at all that damn ice and snow. About to get on over here to Walmart. Get there early. Hopefully they get this stuff off early. Spot right there for you, man. Knock Kansas off the list, especially after that blizzard. Okay, here at one of these famous Walmart distribution centers. You know how that goes. Either it's gonna go great or it's gonna be like hell. Hopefully it's a good day. I'm gonna stay positive about it. Got a 9 a.m. appointment. It is just now 8, so at least they bust me up in here. But I do have a 1 o'clock pickup elsewhere, about 20 minutes away from here, so hope this does not interfere with my next pickup. But let's go ahead and bump the dock and start the clock. Bump the dock and start the clock. That's all we do, huh, fellas? Great investment right here, guys, for sure. People love to leave in your trailers a mess. Leave it right here on their facility. Thing blows old wood. Have the trailer clean for the next folks. You did. So as y'all can see, man, I'm leaving Ottawa, Kansas, and I'm heading over to Edgerton. So what is it, about 20-minute ride?
Please drive to the highlighted route.
Made it out of here on time. It's 10:49. Appointment was at 1. Basically 2 hours early. It's truly something being in that freaking blizzard last night. It's crazy, man. What an experience, man. You know, that's old news to a lot of you guys that live in this area or work this area, but to me, cat born and raised in California, Southern California, it always trips me out, this severe weather and stuff. So, it is what it is, man. Departing to Walmart. one thing to be loaded nice and heavy when you're dealing with the snow and wind. The snow done moved on past, but the wind is still here. There's some serious gusts coming across this box on my way up here.
Stop sign.
And luckily I don't got far to go, man. But you know, riding around here with an empty trailer is not ideal. You know, I've never experienced those Chinook winds over in Wyoming, but these were pretty severe, to say the least. So yeah, ain't no way through it but to do it, man. Gotta get it done. Get too crazy, put the hazards on and go slow, but these gusts is pretty strong, man. Yes, sir, done cleared up. Got up to about 40 degrees. That's excellent. As far as any fuel gelling up. They made it up over here, man, to all the DOT's favorite. Yeah, I remember last time we came here and left with Twinkies. It's pretty windy out here. It wasn't no snow here last time we was here. And in terms of the wind, it's pretty severe. So I've been wondering, shit, is you know, I made it over here. I was getting pushed around. I was getting bullied by the wind getting up here from where I just unloaded, which was only, what, 20 miles from here. But I gotta get back down to freaking Oklahoma, man. And I'm just sitting here wondering, is the Twinkies gonna be heavy enough or not?
Nope.
But it is what it is, man. It's a little humor. Let me get these doors open. Go get checked in. I'm fairly early. I might as well not even go tap on their window. So probably like 12 appointments at 1. It seems to be pretty crowded. A lot of trucks out here in the staging. So I'm about to swing these doors open. Be ready for a door, man. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, like, show your boy some thumbs up love. Box is cleaned out. Woo. Stupid winds. Woo, it's blowing, guys. It's blowing. Hell, I was gonna send the drone up, but I do not think that is a wise idea right now. Little propellers is pretty powerful, but I don't think they no match for Mother Nature right now. She out here ready to huff and puff and blow something's house down. So yeah, I'm here, man. About to get the Twinkies or the cupcakes and get them back down to Oklahoma. And then I gotta get back up here and pick up some more Twinkies to take back to the West Coast.
Oh, somebody, he needs some milk.
All right, guys, they got me in door 108. I love it. All the way out the way with all that madness down here. They got truck staging over here, right? And they had overnight parking. So I was dealing with that blizzard last night, and this was like 20 miles farther north than Ottawa, where I just got through delivering from. And I was like, shit, man, you know, if I don't get no parking, I'm just gonna fight it. The other 20 miles I could have got here and parked up here and just backtrack 20 miles back south to get unloaded. But yeah, we here in Hostess, door 108. Pretty crowded. A lot of the trucks that you see to the right probably are doing what I was just saying, just using it for overnight parking. They could have pickups tomorrow or later today, or who knows the situation, man. But me and the dog, we in the door. It's cold as heck out here. And she been idling all night. I've been going to shut this thing down, man. Glad when we start heading back south towards some warmth.